Might not get it all, but it's
Might
cute,
not
isn't it?
pass the knuckle.
Henry, it's your first present today. What's the first present?
Oh, what
Is it a
does Henry
book?
have?
Elvis, no?
It's fun.
It's a book on Elvis.
Oh.
Blue Devil.
It's a
This
blue
is a book
devil.
about blue devils?
Hello, blue devil.
Oh.
Wow.
It's in your book.
It's fun,
You
isn't
can
it?
read it soon.
Who's that for?
And that's for Dada.
You can open it.
You can open it.
Here. Mama open. Is this for you? Open?
Oh, Henry.
What is that?
Isn't that awesome, Henry? Where do you figure out what that is?
Thank you for the book, Henry.
Yippee.
Can you say you're welcome?
Be prepared. Yes.
Prideful Henry.